Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking a Costco haul of all these cool things that I found that I think can help us along our way to weight loss and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So if you want to know what I found at Costco, stay tuned and let's do this. I know last week I said I was going to do a Home Chef review, and I am going to do that next week. It's just last week was crazy and there's a lot of footage and I'm trying to edit it and it's just taking a long time. But I'm hopefully going to get that out to you next week. But in the meantime, I went to Costco and I found some really cool finds that are tasty, easy, convenient, fast types of meals and ideas for snacks and desserts. And so I thought I would pass those along to you today so that if you are near a Costco and you need some ideas, you might find some of these helpful. So let's get into some footage. I did film some of the things in the store that I didn't actually purchase because I either already had them or my basket was getting a little too full and, you know, self-control. So I didn't buy everything, but I did film it and let you know some of the things that I have purchased in the past as well, or things that looked interesting that you might want to try. And then I also filmed what I actually bought and what I have tried. So let's get into it. Okay, I've got a Costco haul. I learned about this from someone on a Facebook page. Cilantro lime crema everything sauce, perfect for street tacos, also for a dressing for salads, and it is 40 calories for 2 tablespoons, so pretty good. Says for tacos, wraps, burritos, protein bowls, nachos, salads, quesadillas, grilled corn, tostadas, taquitos, grilled seafood, and more. So we're gonna try this out, but somebody was like, this is amazing. So we're gonna try that out. Also, I picked these up again. These are so good and such a great price. They're 10 bucks for 50 of them. They have vegetable spring rolls with edamame, and it has a soy ginger sauce that's included. Throw it in the oven or an air fryer, and you can pair it with rice or whatever. But they are 290 calories for 4 spring rolls, and they're very, very tasty. Also, I have been using Fairlife protein shakes. I've been using the salted caramel and the chocolate. I really, really want the coffee flavor, but I have ordered from Amazon and they have had to cancel my shipment because it wasn't there or it never arrived. And then I ordered from Walmart and the same thing happened. They had to cancel. I've just ordered it again from Walmart, hoping that it comes in because Costco does not have the coffee flavor, but these are so good if you get stomach aches from other shakes like Premier Protein or something like that. These ones just don't upset my stomach at all. They're 150 calories and have 30 grams of protein. Put that in my coffee in the morning. Then I stumbled upon these organic Superfruit freezies. These are not refrigerated. You throw them in the freezer. They have strawberry lemon, blueberry pomegranate, and mango orange flavors. And they are only 25 calories for a bar. And so for summer, no sugar added. It's 100% fruit juice and puree. So I'm gonna pop these in the freezer, and these just seem like a super great summer dessert. I am so excited to try these at Costco. Then of course, aged white cheddar, Pirate's Booty. This stuff is a huge bag. It's 18 ounces and it was $6.39 and 140 calories for 28 grams. This is the white cheddar, same thing as the like Trader Joe's one, but then I also found popcorners in the Kettle Corn, and this is also a huge bag, also $6.39, and it is 120 calories for 17 chips, which is a really great, sweet and salty. I've never tried the Kettle Corn version. I love the white cheddar ones. And then I also picked up these spicy chicken sandwiches on a brioche bun. A little deceiving, all of that stuff doesn't come on there. It's literally the chicken and the bun, but Wait, is it? After heating, oh yeah, add your favorite condiments and toppings. It does not come with this, but if you added some pickles, and I don't think I told you in my last video on the Trader Joe's haul, but Trader Joe's has a dill pickle mustard that is fantastic. So if you're at Trader Joe's, get the dill pickle mustard if you love dill pickles. But this is 20 grams of protein per serving, and it has a spicy chicken. Comes with 6 of them, and they are 340 calories for one. So I'm actually gonna try this out tonight from the air fryer, and you can microwave them, but I'm gonna throw it in my air fryer and see how that turns out. But those were yummy. There's some other ones I'm gonna tell you about. I'll do a voiceover because I videoed them. I could not buy them because I had to, you know, stick to a budget. But there's some other things that I think would be interesting, so here we go with that. Okay, these blackened chicken breast strips are in the freezer section, $16.99 for 3 pounds. I already had them at home, so I didn't buy them. They're very spicy, so be careful. Alternatively, there's lightly breaded chicken breast chunks right next to them, and these are also pretty good calorie-wise and not spicy, so if you prefer that, go for those. Then I found these high-protein parfaits in mango pineapple and superfruit, Greek yogurt and granola. These looked really yummy. They are 250 and 260 calories, but they've got 16 grams of protein, so that's a pretty good snack in an afternoon for the calories. It's pretty comparable to a protein bar, and something different to try. And then chicken and apple sausages in the refrigerated section. These are 170 calories a piece, but super yummy. Okay, you guys, I am trying this sandwich, this one right here. It is so good. It's pretty spicy. It says it's medium. I would say that's about right. Definitely got a good kick to it. I put this on it, which is the Trader Joe's dill pickle mustard. So good. And then I decided to try this because I hadn't. Oh my gosh, run, don't walk. Go to Costco. It comes in a pack of 2. So good. This is going to be on all of our salads, tacos, burritos. These, so good. Okay, I hope that you found this helpful and enjoyable. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, all of that fun stuff. Also, leave a comment below on your favorite Costco finds, something that I should be checking out that help you on your journey of weight loss or maintenance, or things that are just tasty that don't happen to be loaded with calories, because there are a few things at Costco loaded with calories. Also, oh my gosh, I didn't do this, but if you have not tried the, I think it's the pork carnitas little taco kits that are in the refrigerator section, oh my gosh, those are so good. And that is the easiest, quickest family meal for 4. We had it for 4 and it was enough for 4, but that's a really good one too. So check that one out as well. But anyway, leave a comment and let me know the things that you are loving to eat from Costco. I really need to get a membership to Sam's Club because I don't have that. But anyway, otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in next week's video. See ya.